Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our college, Sharath Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Inchakanji, Department of Information Technology. Today start fifth lecture on our course, that is subject data structure using C. In our course, total 5 units are there. In that, we already start the unit number 1, Introduction to Data Structures, for 6 marks. In a unit number 1, Introduction to Data Structures, in under the total 4 subpoints, in that we already seen that 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, in previous lecture we said that 1.3, that is algorithm complexity. In that we studied time complexity and space complexity. Also, in a previous lecture I given some homework on it. Hope all are completed it. Now start our next point, that is 1.4, operations on data structure. Start the next point, operations on data structures. Okay, first of all we already know the what is meant by data structure. Now we studied the operations on data structures, means what, which operations we are performed on the data structures. Okay, operations means what, we are any effect on a particular that data, okay, which are data are stored in a memory, okay, that are seen, means what, which operations. For example, in a we have the your data, okay, in that we perform the any effect, means what, any new elements are added or any elements are deleted, or any changes, or any select, or any merging, that likes our operations are performed on a data structures. Okay, the data an important role in a programming, as all operations are carried out on a data. Okay, means what, in that says that the data an important role in a programming, obviously, because where we operations are performed on a data. So in that says that data an important role in a programming. Okay, as all operations are carried out on data, when all operations are performed on that data. To perform any operations on data, it should be first available in a main memory, so that processor can perform operations on data. Okay, means what, in that says that any operations are performed on data, that time data are stored in a memory, that time our processor are perform operations on data, otherwise not. Okay, means what, your data are stored in a memory, that time where operations are performed it. We make available this data in memory with help of data structure. Okay, means what, in that says that when in a memory, how to be data are available, using through data structure we store the data in a memory, means what, using through stack, queue, linked list, using array, this data structure through we store the data in a memory, and after that on that data we multiple operations are performed, which operations that are seen in a next slide. Data is stored in a data structure. One can perform several operations on it, as shown in a below figure. Okay, in that figure shows that operations on a data structures. In operations on data structure, there are two main points or two parts: primitive operations and non-primitive operations. Primitive means the basic operations, okay, on that data structure, and non-primitive means what, in that affected any changes that are the data structures. Okay, in a primitive operations, the sub operations are like creation, destroy, selection and update. In a non-primitive operations, the sub operations are, or that type of operations are, deletion, sort, merge, searching and traversal. Means what? Creation, destroy, selection, update are the type of the primitive operations, and deletion, sort, merge, searching, traversal, these are the operations are the type of non-primitive operations. Primitive operations means what? The basic operations. Okay. These operations are one by one studied in this in today's lecture. The following operations are most frequently performed on any data structure. In that, first, primitive. There are two types of known: primitive and non-primitive. In that, first we studied primitive. After that, study non-primitive. Okay. One, primitive data structure operations. First, creation. To create a new data structure, generally one write an operations and named it as a create. Means what? When any new data structures are created, that time using through operation create, we are create the new data structure. The next point, the whole purpose of these operations is to allocate memory at compile time or runtime for data. Means that we studied the operation creation. These operations purpose is that only for allocate the memory of that data structure at a runtime or a compile time. Okay, means compile time or a runtime. Means that, in other words, says that, means these operations, create operations is mainly purpose is that to create a new data structure. That's enough. Means using the creation operation, we create a new data structure. Okay. Second, destroy. To delete data structure or to destroy a data structure, generally one write an operation and named it as destroy. Okay, means what? We any data structure are delete or a destroy using through name as a write operation, that name is the destroy. Means using to destroy word through, we are any data structure or delete or destroy. The whole purpose of this operation is to deallocate memory which is already allocated with the help of malloc or calloc function. Okay, means what? What is the purpose of this destroy function? Destroy operation? That we deallocate the memory. Which are the deallocated the memory? Which are already allocated. Means what? Which already created with the help of malloc and calloc function at the compile time or runtime. Okay, clear? Means what? Which we created the any data structure when we want to destroy or delete, but then we using the destroy operation. This operation through we are delete or deallocated the memory which are already allocated. Okay, means what? In other words, we say that to delete data structure. Okay, means what? Using to create operations, we create a new data structure. Using destroy operation, we delete the data structure. Third, selection. As per application or requirement, one want to work on some specific data and other want to work on entire data available in data structure. Okay, means what? In any sometime any requirement or applications. Okay, in that, for example, two members there. Okay, on operations on one program. That program, one want to work on some specific data and other want to an entire remaining all data. Okay, that so it is necessary to write operations of selection as per requirement of individuals. Okay, means what? When two members are want to that entire data in two parts, that time we use the selection operations. Using selection operations as per their requirement person, that individually we giving the data using through selection operations. Okay, next part means selection is used by programmers. Okay, programmers means user, okay, to access or select the data within the data structures. Okay, clear this point, where when selection operations is used, okay, when any select the data in a data structure, that time we use the operation selection. Okay, I'm giving for example, real-time example, but that not write in your exam, only for understanding purpose. Means what, your class strength is 60, okay, then we allocate the mentor system, okay, or we are formed a batch, okay. How it is in our total 60 strength, means in that I am select the roll number 1 to 20, that is a one part, roll number 21 to 40, 41 to 60, this part we are select use where how to be that select, that using through selection operations. In same in our data structure, or in our technical word, when any data we want to one want to work on specific data and other one to enter data, that time we select that particular data and giving that individual as per requirement, that time to use selection operation. Okay, next fourth operation in under the primitive data structure, update. Okay, this operation is used to edit or change the data within the data structure. Clear? Means what, anytime we changes or edit in a already stored in a data structure, that data we using through update operations we edit or change. Means what, these operations updates or alters or changes the data. Okay, clear that? In that total 4 operations in under the primitive data structures, that is in a basic data structure operations: creation, destroy, selection and update. In a named as we using when we name as a read, that we understanding the what is the purpose of that operation. Okay, means what, creation means create, destroy means delete, selection means the some part are select, update means that in our data changes, that's like. Okay, second type of operations, that is non-primitive data structures operations. In that we seen one by one. First, insertion. Insert operation on any data structure is performed to insert or add one or more data element in the existing or already created data structure at the particular position. Okay, means what, insertion means what, we are add, okay, we add the element. Okay, in that insert or add the element one or more than data. Okay, in a we are currently created in a data structure, or we are already created in a data structure, in any particular position we easily add or insert using through insertion operation. In other words, we say that adding a new data in the data structure we refer as a insertion operation. Okay, when we insertion operation used, when in a data structure we any data added at a particular position in a current data structure or in a already stored in a data structure, that time to use insertion operation. Okay, second, deletion. In words meaning to say that insert means added, delete means deleted, etc. Okay, so it is a easy concept that operations or data structure, and basically are asking for in your board exam, okay, for 4 marks or for 2 marks. Explain the data structure operations or a list of data structure operations. Okay, depends upon that marks, and we write the answer. Okay. Next, see deletion. Okay, delete operation on any data structure is performed to delete or remove one or more data elements from the existing or already created data structure at a particular position. It is only for opposite of the insertion. In a insertion, exactly or already created data structure at particular position added, in that deleted. Okay, means that delete operations of any data structure, okay, that are performed on one or more than data are deleted or removed in the existing data structure, means what, in a currently data structure created or already data structure created. In that any particular position, we data elements are delete or remove using through deletion operation. In other words, removing a data from the data structure is referred as a deletion operation. Okay. Third operations under the non-primitive data structure, sorting. Okay. In sorting words, meaning is that, means what, any elements we are sorted, just like means that operations names as the indicated by their purpose. So it is easily we understood and we easily studied. Okay, or you easily write in your exam. So you only for mind in that which are the operations name that we write down in your own words. What is the purpose of that operations? In that operations meaning is indicate that purpose. So okay. Third, sorting. Sort operation is performed on any data structure to arrange all the data of data structure in a specific order, either ascending or descending order. Okay, you know ascending, what is meant by ascending, what is meant by descending. Okay, means ascending order means what, the number are sorted means low to high, or descending means what, sorted the elements high to low. That's like, okay, means that in that sort operations are performed means arrange the data of that data structure in a data structure through we already data are stored in a memory. In that memory, that data are arranged using the specific order, like ascending or descending order. Okay. Next, fourth, merging. Merge operation is performed to combine two data structure into a single one. Okay, means what, we are performed the any sometime two data structures are there, that are we collect or we combine in a one, that time to use merging operation. Next, fifth operation under the non-primitive operations, searching. Okay, search operation is performed on any data structure to find out the location of particular data element in data structure. Means what, we find the any data in your data structure or any particular data structure, that time to use searching operations. Means what, for example, your data in a data structure we store the 10 elements. Okay, in that 10 elements we want to 7th positions element you find out. Okay, we want to, then using search operations that particular position elements we obtain. Okay, means what, we find the elements. Sixth, traversing. Okay, traverse operation is generally performed to access each and every element of data structure exactly once. Means what, in a data structure which are we data are stored, that each and every data element are accessed using through traverse operation. Okay, means what? Most of the time in programs, display or show functions operations is used by programmer to display each and every element of data structure, which implicitly traverse each data element of data structure. Means what? In a programs, we any insert the element or any delete the element. Okay, after that we that elements are show or display. That time that operations are used. Which operation? Traversing. Means what? In a data structure, each and every element exactly one we are access. Okay, how to access? When we elements are displayed. Okay, display means what? All elements are displayed. Okay, means what? All elements are accessed. So in that says that traverse operation is generally performed to access each and every element of a data structure exactly one. How to each and every elements are accessed exactly one? When we display or show functions, show operation are used, that time we are traversing the each and every elements in a data structure. Okay, in this one we say that the non-primitive data structure operations. Okay, in addition to primitive and non-primitive data structure operations, two extra operations are first copying. Means what? Copying means what? Copy operation performed for copying the contents of one data structure to another. Okay, we are known what is meant by copy. Okay, copy means what? We are, for example, in one data structure, within that data are copied and are paste or are move on another data structure. That time to use copy operation. Okay, and concatenate means what? Concatenation. In this operation performed for combining the data from two or more data structure. It's just like a merging operations like. Okay, we combine the data from two or more data structures. Okay. Okay. Summary of this today's lecture is that which points are seen operations on data structures in under primitive data structure operations, non-primitive data structure operations. In a primitive data structure operations, which operations are? That are the basic operations: creation, destroy, selection and update. And in a non-primitive data structures operations in under insertion, deletion, sorting, merging, searching and traversing. And another two are the which are the not in a primitive or non-primitive, which are the concatenate and copying. Okay. On today's lectures, give homework as a assignment 1 that continue the questions at the previous lecture. Okay, in that question asking list any 4 operations on data structure. Next, explain operations on data structure, explain primitive data structure operations, or explain non-primitive data structure operations. Means what? How to asking question that we give the answer. Only for list any data structure, only for asking list any 4 operations on data structure means what? Only for write down the operations names. When we question ask explain operations means what? In that we explain the operations or primitive or also non-primitive. Or asking for questions explain primitive data structure means so in that specific that particular operation. So in that write the primitive data structure operations. In that asking for non-primitive data structure means what? In that write the non-primitive data structure operations explain in detail. Okay, means what? How to questions asking that time that depends upon you write on their answers. Okay. Thank you. Here stop in our today's lecture. Okay, in our today's lectures at the point is operations or data structure. It is simple or simply or easily understanding that point, but that not ignore this point, because this in this point asking definitely by or to asking 2 marks or by 4 marks. So 100% we ask that on questions, so it is prepare it. Okay, in this point any doubt arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, once again thank you.